the price of Bitcoin started sideways-ish. Is your misery index unmiserizing? In other words, as we go sideways, are people feeling a little bit better about things, which implies you could see another move lower if that's the case?
Yeah, so the misery index is still low. It's around 28, which is a level of misery. You guys have better graphics again on that. So I don't think anyone who owns crypto should feel confident, but we still think Bitcoin's in a bull market. So I don't think we have the conditions that took place in 2014, which was a huge liquidity shock, right? I mean, you had the largest exchange announce a massive hack. I mean, that's not the type of seismic event taking place in crypto today.
Is this call and your calls around Bitcoin these days, are they the hardest to defend out there? I mean, you've done a lot of good work on stocks. You've been a strategist on the street, well-known, well-regarded. And here you are talking about Bitcoin in what has been a terrible market for Bitcoin. Do you feel like when we talk about institutions coming in, is this harming that move or what you see coming? It's
it's kind of a mixed blessing. One, it reminds me a lot of my work when I was a wireless analyst in the 90s, where people thought it was all about long distance and plain old telephone service, and people thought cellular was this crappy little capital-intensive business, which now is bigger than everything. But we're doing a lot of calls and meetings with traditional managers. They're taking this chance for while Bitcoin's consolidating, and they're seeing the case for it as a real store value, and there's real plumbing being built to get educated. So I think this is actually great timing because it doesn't force investors to jump in and then learn later. It's giving a chance to really study this. So as bad as it feels now, I think it's actually the kind of environment you want.
Last quick question, right here.
He brings up a great point. If you haven't bought in or you're looking to do your investments, this is the time to buy. I mean, I can see a lot of these hedge fund money manager guys all just salivating at this market because everything is on sale. Crypto is getting crushed, and you're not going to get an opportunity like this in a long time. And what's interesting is I did my corporate tax returns recently with a CPA, and I'm using anecdotal evidence, but my CPA located in Orange County has some very, very successful clients, and I was able to talk to him, and he even said that this year some of his clients just crushed it with Bitcoin. Some of these clients are people that bought in at $1, and I asked them, and I'm like, okay, so they obviously sold a bunch, and that's why they're paying taxes. What are they doing now? And he said he met with some people that are big crypto investors, and they are buying it and loving this opportunity. So he's a CPA. He doesn't have any cryptocurrency knowledge. He was impressed that I got into it, so he gave me props for that. But he told me that his big guys, his big whales or fish, who have paid a lot of tax dollars to the government since they did cash out some of their positions. He said that a meeting that he had with some of these guys that they're buying this dip, and they're looking at this long, and they don't think they're like me, they're like a cryptocurrency YouTuber. They are believing in the long-term price of cryptocurrency. They think the market cap will go over $1 trillion, which if this market keeps tanking, it's going to be 4-5 times the price of what you're buying in now. So I think this is a great opportunity to buy Bitcoin, to buy if you want to buy altcoins. So I would do it, and let me know what you guys think. And on another short note, we hit 5,000 subscribers, which is awesome. The growth of the channel has been amazing. Thank you very much for your comments. And I guess now the next goal after 5,000 is 10,000, something that I didn't think was going to really happen till later to the end of the year. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and I'll talk to you soon.